So we are live, and this is Mike and Eduardo. And I think I'm just gonna turn off the camera because of my bandwidth, so that I don't break so much. And then for this session, we are just looking into how to run the Agile Ventures website, which is our website one project on a Windows machine. And the best bet to do that is using Docker. And since Docker has not been tested with the recent upgrades of the website, we have decided to try and see if it's going to work on my local machine first. I'm using a Mac. Then maybe we can try it on the Windows machine, which is Eduardo's machine. So yeah, it's Eduardo is joining us from Latin America. I think you said Panama, right?
Yes, I said Panama.
Yeah, all the way from Panama. Myself, I'm based in Kisumu, Kenya. So yeah, it's it's an interesting thing that the Agile Ventures community does to us. So what I'm going to do is maybe close this window and close this one. And
You were
exit.
working with Python.
Yes. I do a lot of things with Python. Yeah. So clear. And I want to go to website one. Website one. Oh no. CD website one. So RVM lists. Though that's not going to be git checkout develop. Maybe that's the branch that I want to work with. Git pull origin develop. Let's see if that updates. $16. So that's good. And then what I want to do is see what I have. Maybe I can open Visual Studio Code. And with my Visual Studio Code, what I want to look at is my the documentation you are looking at, Eduardo. So website one. Nope, not you, but
Do you have LinkedIn? LinkedIn.
yes, I am on LinkedIn.
Yeah, can I add you?
Yes, please. You can search
How?
Mike Aono, just the same name as I am on Slack.
Well, honestly, if it could be more sadly if you share me your link.
Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is go to my LinkedIn, and from there, I don't know where view profile, right? And then I can copy this and share it with you. Yep, I think that's that. So what we are trying to do right now is to Agile Ventures, etc. And project setup documentation. So setup for development on website 1. So you get installed with Git, install Git, register Docker. So what I want to do is so yeah, I think I shouldn't have clicked on that because I think I should close this as well. And I so what I need to do is to touch .env. I have .env already. Let me see if I have it. I should just look for .env. So I don't have a .env file. So like you are doing, Eduardo, what I'm going to do is to touch .env and then copy this .env file.
Okay.
So that will go to my .env. So test the above keys and then execute this.
This set up
So
just
yeah, so what I was asking you to look at was just setup.sh, what it contained. And you see it has Docker Compose down, dash RMI, all volumes, remove orphans. Then Docker Compose builds, which builds Docker container. And then it sets up the DB host and runs, it creates the database, it does the migration, it seeds the database, then it prepares for test. So what I'm going to do now is and see what happens.
it's similar.
So
It's the same problems with me.
connection aborted, file not found. Which file was not found? No such file or directory. Docker errors, Docker exception error, file fetching server API versions. Oh yeah, so these are server API versions. File not found. So probably for this, let me see if I have other environmental variables. I will take them offline and then share with. I will stop sharing my screen, so because maybe some of them are secrets, and
Okay.
I will share the content with you in on Slack. So let me see. There was something that was shared in a chat with Thomas. Matt Lindsay. I don't know if these are the things that are missing. So I'll just add them to my .env and see if I don't have an .env file. Let me just share my screen again.
Okay.
And try. And I'm going to try this. Filter. Compose role fetching sub API version connection about it not found. So this is something different connection pool. Maybe the Docker image that we are using is not being found. Just back. That was the first error. If we can find that. Just back most recent site page screen. And see. Yeah.
Or it's necessary to install a virtual machine. I think so.
Yeah, to install?
It's necessary to install virtual machine or not?
No, it's not necessary to install the virtual machine. Vim Docker Compose Yammer, so version 3 DB Postgres Delta. Volumes, JavaScript vendors. It's that one. DB hosts. The build RM bundle execres 3000. Depends on DB environment to host. DB hosts volumes. And that looks okay. Or Docker.
Daddy,
Yes, Clara.
why did you wash my hands?
Just a moment. why are you playing in chafu places? Wash your hands in the sink. Yes, you roll up your sleeves.
Wash my sleeves.
Then you wash your hands. So, talk about. So,
Do you like Daddy?
Docker build dash array connect the Docker daemon Unix but Docker sock. Oh yeah, maybe I don't have Docker. Do I have Docker? Nice. No, not playing in Daddy house. You go to Nadia house. Yeah, so I think Eduardo, what was going on is that my Docker wasn't running. That's why I was getting that error. But now that I have started Docker, when I
It's working or not? Oh yes, it's working.
yeah,
What
it's
do you
working.
do?
Yeah. Docker wasn't running on my computer, so probably you need to check if you have Docker. If your Docker is running.
Oh, is my Docker is running? How can I know if my Docker is running?
Maybe you can share your screen now and we try have a look as I let
Okay,
mine run.
let me share my screen. Do you see my screen? Hello? Are you there, sir?
Yeah, sorry, I was sending away the notifications. Okay.
Okay.
Just give me a moment.
It's okay. It's okay. I will give you that moment.
Yes, I'm back, Edward.
Okay, I'm here.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So, is Docker running? If you just search on your Windows, if you just search for Docker. Hello.
Yes. So yes. Let. What you say? Sorry.
If you just search, if you search for Docker in your computer,
Search
do you have Docker installed?
Docker in my computer. Yes. Let me. Yes, I installed Docker in my computer. Of course.
Okay, and then Docker should be running. Yeah, Docker failed to initialize. Why is that?
Something's happened. I don't know. Let me. The slide stopped. Some because the time out. Something's wrong. Do you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, I see a screen. But I don't know how you can check the status of
Try
Docker.
running. Try running a container,
try
copy
running
and
that.
paste, command terminal. Okay.
Yes. Try running. Were you able to run it?
This error during connect. This error may indicate that Docker daemon is not running. Pause, open. The system cannot find the file specific.
What if you just run it on a Windows terminal? Maybe
In a
PowerShell or
Windows
something.
terminal, CMD.
Yeah, CMD.
It's the same error during Connect in the default daemon configuration and the Windows that Docker client must be run with elevated privilege to Connect. Pause.
So in default, Docker client must run the privileges. Say that you run as admin and
Sorry?
what happens? What happens if you search for? Yeah.
By running PowerShell with admin privilege, I validated this was the same behavior for running the commands via elevated CM Pro. Okay, PowerShell.
Yeah, PowerShell. Actually, PowerShell is really powerful.
Yo no ni quiero ir, estoy haciendo otra cosa más importante acá que está viendo allá.
¿De la U?
Sí, loco.
¿De que tú trabajas de la U, verdad? Oye, todavía está tocando el piso. Está ocupado, ahora sí está ocupado. Está ocupado, dicen. Está ocupado. Y dicen a Marica.
Something.
Oh my god, there is something wrong with my Docker.
So can't run Docker on Windows. Let's see. Probably Docker itself is running without admin privileges.
Ahí está, error during connect. In the default daemon configuration on Windows, Docker must be relevant privileged get connect. The system cannot find the file.
Tú andas que ni tú no has desayunado, agarra. Bueno, acuérdate que tienes que sacar tiempo para desayunar uno. Todo ser humano.
I have shared something on chat.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it looks like a common problem in Windows, right?
Yes, it's a common problem in Windows.
Yeah. You
Okay,
can
as the
try this one.
message said, yes, I am checking. Como dice el mensaje, hay dos posibles
Let me
razones
just.
para este error. Su motor Docker no está funcionando y debe iniciarlo. No está en una sesión de administrador elevada y por lo tanto no tiene acceso al motor. El motivo es que se requiere sesión de administrador del cliente Docker de la configuración predeterminada. Ok, en PowerShell. There is something wrong with my Docker. because it not found.
Sorry, you're breaking for me.
It's not. I don't have Docker in my computer. I think so because I run this command, this this, and say something in red, and that say is not there or there is nothing.
Okay. I actually can't understand what's written. No. Hi, Eduardo.
Dime, say, tell me.
Hello.
What's up? Yes.
Yeah, I can't really understand what the error says. What does the error say?
Error says where?
Hello. I think my connection is really bad. I can't.
Yes, I hear you. Tell me.
Alright.
Tell me, I hear you.
Hi, Eduardo.
Yes. Are you there or not? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, are you there? Are you there, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you now. I think my internet was
Yes.
broken. So I I see you are trying to install something.
Yes, I tried to install something, but there is nothing for solve my problem. Let me try another one.
Yeah, what was that? Yeah. Yeah, so there's a place they were saying this I don't know. Yeah, my screen is freezing. I can't see what you're looking at.
This my address the issue for user will start an account. This is important if the Docker runs without administrative privilege, well, then we can use also for Honeybee. I have also tried this one, but not success. The Docker runs, but this
Okay.
time of the container can't run without admin privilege. I have I have error or problem with my Docker virtualization that say
You need to enable it.
enable virtual machine platform.
Yeah, Windows security is something that is difficult to understand somehow. They just don't use directories.
If active virtual machine
Yeah.
platform.
Yeah.
I there's something weird because I have that option is active, but I don't know what's happening at the moment.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. So oh yeah, you haven't changed that, so it's active. It's been checked. So what's going on? So probably that's not the. Um,
Is necessary the Hyper-V.
Let me see if I can find something else. Is it necessary to?
Is necessary to active the
Configure Docker
Hyper-V.
in Windows. Uh, what's Hyper-V? I'm not sure I know it. Can be clear from Windows.
In this section, say, let me. Hyper-V. Docker Desktop requires Hyper-V as well as the Hyper-V module for Windows PowerShell to be installed and enabled. The Docker Desktop installer enabled it for you. Docker Desktop also needs two CPU hardware features to use Hyper-V virtualization and second-level address translation, which is also called rapid virtualization index. Cool.
Yeah, let's try with Hyper-V.
I will restart.
Okay.
Do you develop in C#?
No, I haven't developed in C# in a long time. I think I did C# a little bit in the past. Yeah, but that was just it. You want people who develop in C#?
Rubber.
I will have to buy a rubber later. I don't know where you took your rubber.
Taking a rubber.
No rubber. No rubber, no sharpener. Hi, Eduardo. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, so my connection
I have
keeps
problem with my
dropping.
internet.
Okay. So did you install Hyper-V?
Yes, I am installing. It's running in this section. It's running.
Probably that's even the reason why the internet is breaking, because it's downloading stuff. I gotta run somewhere, so maybe we can touch base in an hour or two to see if you succeeded or not.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I think the plan maybe is to try get Docker running, and then once Docker is running, we can try running the shell script that brings on the Docker container that does the build and runs the Docker. Right? So probably I can
Yes.
run now, then we can chat. We can, yeah, okay, thank you. I hope that was helpful. Just seeing that it runs on my machine, and then maybe we can do more research on how to fix it on yours.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thanks.